Welcome back to Ice Cream Sundays. My name is Tara, and each week I'll be sharing a different homemade ice cream recipe with you. And this week I made a peaches and cream ice cream. It's a cream cheese ice cream base with a peach compote folded in. This is a no-churn recipe, so you don't need an ice cream machine this week. So for the peach portion of this ice cream, I peeled and diced some peaches and added them to a pot. Then I mixed in the sugar, salt, and lemon juice. And I'm just going to cook this over medium-high heat. And my goal here is to cook out as much of that liquid as possible. And by cooking out that liquid, it's going to concentrate the peach flavor, and it's also going to allow this to freeze with a nice texture instead of becoming very icy. So after stirring this occasionally for about 15 minutes, this is the consistency. And now I'm going to use an immersion blender to blend this up just a little bit, just to break up some of those larger pieces. But this is optional, you can skip this step. Now I'm going to work on the ice cream base, and I'm just taking a large bowl and I'm going to whip the heavy cream to soft peaks. In a separate bowl, I'm going to combine the sweetened condensed milk, cream cheese, salt, and vanilla. And I'm just going to whisk this together until I get a smooth consistency. Then I'm going to fold that mixture into the whipped cream. And I'm going to fold this together until it's evenly combined. And then I'm going to fold in the peach mixture. Once everything is well combined, I'm going to pour this into a freezer safe container, and I'm going to freeze it overnight. And here's how it looked the next day. Originally, I was going to do this recipe with just a plain vanilla base, but I thought the addition of the cream cheese would add a nice tangy flair to this combination. It does a really good job of balancing out the sweetness of that peach mixture. Also, if you wanted to, you can make this like the apple crumble ice cream I made and add that crumble mixture to this to give it a little bit of texture. As always, I thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Ice Cream Sundays. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.